And in that booklet, he circled some numbers and some laws and told me that in case they don't pay me, I should call XYZ and report them, and that the government will support whatever thing I do. Hello everyone, welcome to Golden Dove Lifestyle channel, the best advisory travel channel in the world. If you know, you know. If you don't know, leave on. We've been having great feedback. So today we'll be talking about work permit, employment visa. Employment visa is a kind of visa that a country gives to foreign nationals to come into their country and live and work legally. So it helps you to stay there legally, protected by the law of that country. So that's work permit. Today we are going to be talking about the importance of having a work permit. Why do I need a work permit? First of all, sometimes some countries might want to develop their skill base. So they get foreign nationals to come in. They get people that are interested in a particular skill set. For instance, like last year, the UK wanted their healthcare sector to be developed. So a lot of people left Nigeria, doctors, nurses, healthcare workers. So that skill set is what they want to develop. And when you go there, they make a provision for you to be able to work there freely. So work permit allows you to bring your dependents. So I always advise my clients to first of all travel and know the kind of work and get accommodation, be settled at least before you start bringing in your children. When you also have a work permit, it pays you the same thing. You earn the same salary that a resident permit person or a citizen of that country earn. It doesn't make you less. I always say residency and work permit is one of the best way to actually travel to a country. So let me give you some importance of having a work permit. Number one, ensuring compliances from immigration regulation. This means that work permits are vital for nations to maintain adherence to their immigration regulation. Work permits protect the rights of foreign workers in a foreign country. You are a responsibility of the government. The law covers you. If you have a work permit for Hungary, for instance, and then it's in Schengen, the work permit allows you to travel around that Schengen countries. And Schengen countries are up to 28 right now. The second one is protection of workers' rights. Work permit plays an important part in safeguarding the rights and interests of foreign workers. When an individual owns legal work permit, they are authorized to receive various legal privileges and protection under the host nation's labor law. Like I said before, that your right as a worker is protected by the labor law of that country, so nobody can treat you anyhow. For instance, there was a time I was traveling to US as a worker. I was traveling with a J1 visa. After the interview and I got the visa, the consular at that time gave me a booklet, and in that booklet he circled some numbers and some laws and told me that in case they don't pay me, if the institute that I'm going to work for did not pay me, I should call XYZ numbers and report them, and that the government will support whatever thing I do. So I was excited. I was like, wow. So they recognize that I was even going to work. So getting a work permit is very important. That is number two. Let's go. Number three. Work permit promotes economic growth and skill exchange. Work permits add to economic development and foster skill exchange in nation. Many countries allocate work permits to attract foreign talent and experts, especially in industry facing shortages. Sometimes it takes just a little while. The window is open for a little while and then it's closed. Sometimes they even make the law very lenient. So at different times, different countries open up their work permit, harvest talent, harvest skill set from other nations to boost their own economy. So the last one is bilateral contract. So some countries also have bilateral contracts with some other countries that allows them bring a particular country nationals into their country. For instance, people want diversity. There are different cultures and nations and foreign nationals that come into a country, that the country become diverse. Mixed cultures are celebrated, and that's what the world is all about, diversity anyway. So those bilateral contracts can also help to boost in different nations. So always look out for work permit. Sometimes people come and they will ask me, what kind of work do they offer? What kind of credentials are you giving me? What are the documents that you are giving me? One of the things I always tell people to develop your skills, learn new skills, learn new things, get certificates, get certified in different skills. Sometimes when you also have work permit, it allows you to go to school. So you can take advantage of that to also develop yourself in a different skill set when you get to that particular country. So try as much as possible to see if you can get a work permit for a country. And when you are doing work permit, when you are in the process, try to be patient and learn from the system, because I noticed that a lot of people don't even know how it works. You don't know what is expected of you and what the country expects from you and what you are supposed to get from the host country that you are in. And then if you need information, because right now we are also having some countries that have work permits that we are offering. So if you need a one-on-one consultation, just comment and a number will be forwarded to you, and then you can actually reach us directly. Our office is open Monday to Fridays. You can actually walk into our office and we can talk to you. And if you are not in Abuja and you cannot walk into our office, we can have a virtual consultation with you. Please follow us, subscribe, like, comment. We would like to hear from you. Thank you for watching. Bye.